How to remove malware from any Android? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove malware from any Android device. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, if you find any application that you are suspicious about, simply open any browser, suppose Chrome. On your browser, you have to search for that particular app using search bar and you will get information about them. The next step to follow is make sure you always download the application through App Store or genuine Play Stores only. And after that, you need to simply search for any apps on your phone that are no longer needed or required. And you have to simply go ahead and uninstall them. You can go to Play Store and search for a malware remover application. This application always helps like antivirus and you can go ahead and install them to clear your phone. So that is all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.